Wait, did you see that? Yes, cats can survive big falls from great height, and it's not luck, it's science. In 1987, scientists in New York studied 132 cases of cats fallen from great heights, some as high as the 32nd stories, and astonishingly, 90% cats survived. By laws of physics, higher the fall, the harder the impact. But in these cases, they found that cats that fell from 2nd floor to 7th floor suffered more harm compared to those who fell from higher floors. This is because of their unique instincts. When cats fall from greater heights, they open their legs in mid-air, reducing their terminal velocity. This often helps them survive the fall and land on their feet, although they may still sometimes injure their lungs and ribs. Call it cat's superpower, defying gravity in a way that leaves us all in awe.